So if you follow me on TikTok, you would already know about this car. If you've been paying attention, you should already know about this car. But to update you all, take a look. Your boy scored another 240. That's right, you heard that door. Your boy scored another 240. Story time. So the cool part about this one, squeaky, but she does run and drive. Homegirl hasn't been ran in a while, but she runs and drives, single jingle, and I did get a bunch of goodies with this car. I forgot. She moves. She still puts around.
Eventually.
So now that we're at the shop, the other day I went to record a little bit on the new hatch that I picked up, and I didn't really do much. I just showed you guys that it ran and it drove, but here's what it looks like. I've been playing body panel roulette with it the last couple of days, but it's not bad. Those are real tails. And then obviously throwing again another panel on it. But we go inside. It actually is, it's not that bad in here. We got, that's an extra panel from the Z. Carpet doesn't look too bad. That's the socket for the headlight. We've got, the seat was reclined all the way back. But we've got functioning seats, you know, and these seats are obviously a lot cleaner than mine. And my car, privacy hatch as well. And as you can see, everything in here just works. It's just a little dusty. It just needs a little bit of TLC, but for a nice little pickup, it's not bad. For what it is, it's not bad. Purpose anyways is literally just to have fun and thrashing until we destroy it. But yeah, all in all, it's not bad. It does need some work, but we are gonna give it our own little touch to it to spruce it up a bit. And yeah, first order of business, let's clean this thing out. It came with a ton of goodies, but I haven't talked about those yet. I really want to clean it though, so let's get to work. So while the camera has been off, I've been in a cleaning mode of getting this car somewhat looking a little better in here, which I feel like it does. I did the carpets and all the other stuff back there. I didn't do this side yet, but we saw this and thought, I have it already, so pretty simple mod to do.
A few moments later.
You missed that one. Come.
That hit my head.
Any of y'all see the drill with the flywheel on?
Right there.
Oh, what the fuck?
I used it the other day.
Oh, word. See, that's what it said, yo, eye level is good, not mine.
All right, let me see what you got. Almost.